Nano Banana, the best free AI editing tool you'll ever try. With Nano Banana, you can edit images like a pro, create hyper-realistic results, and keep every face feature accurate. For example, I started with a photo of Trump standing in the Oval Office, then added Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar, and Salah, all full body, perfectly realistic, complete with shadows, and nothing looks fake. And the best part? This tool is 100% free. But Nano Banana goes beyond people. You can change clothes, swap backgrounds, adjust colors, and even create consistent characters from different angles. Want to build your brand? You can design logos, place them on t-shirts, products, or advertisement posters in seconds. In Nano Banana, you can even imagine movie behind-the-scenes moments. I took the final emotional scene from Titanic, asked it to show me the green screen version, and Nano Banana generated a stunning behind-the-scenes shot. Then I went a step further and animated it, turning that iconic movie moment into a living, studio-style sequence. Nano Banana isn't just an editor, it's the future of AI creativity. And today, I'm going to show you the most insane and powerful ways to use Nano Banana.
Let's get started.
First, go to gemini.google.com. Once you're inside the chat area, look for tools and click on it. From there, choose Create Image. Now you'll see an option to add files. This is where you upload your images. For my first try, I uploaded a picture of Donald Trump and another one of Cristiano Ronaldo. In the description box, I typed, "Please combine these two images so that Trump and Cristiano Ronaldo are standing next to each other." After that, I clicked Submit. And just like that, Nano Banana generated a super realistic picture. It's crazy how clean and believable it looks. Next, I downloaded and saved that image. Then I re-uploaded it, added another picture, this time of Messi, and gave it my new description. Once I hit Submit, Nano Banana gave me another realistic image. Now with Messi standing next to Trump and Ronaldo still in the frame. So now you've got Trump in the middle, with Messi and Ronaldo right beside him. You just repeat this process to build it up further. Add Neymar, add Salah, keep stacking them in, and Nano Banana keeps giving you polished, professional-looking images that look like they came from a high-budget photo shoot. And it doesn't stop at just combining people. Can build you branding? I asked to generate logo. I uploaded that logo, asked it to place it on a t-shirt, and it did it instantly. Then I asked it to put that same logo on a shampoo bottle with poster. It worked perfectly, and it even added some advertisement-style text automatically. The results look like something straight out of a professional ad campaign. Now here's one of the coolest parts. Nano Banana can help you keep characters consistent across multiple scenes. I created a whole storyline with a boy named Nano and his bot sidekick. For each scene, I would download the previous image, re-upload it, and then write the next part of my description. Doing it this way makes sure the characters stay the same throughout the whole sequence. I repeated this until I had all 10 scenes, and it honestly looked like a full illustrated story. If you want to animate your Nano Banana images, it's super simple with Google AI Studio. Just open it, click Generate Media, then select VO. Hit the plus button, upload the image you made with Nano Banana, and click Open. Now paste in your prompt. This could be anything from animate this behind the scene with camera above to turn this into a cinematic shot. Once it's ready, click Run, and in seconds, Google AI Studio generates your video. Finally, just download and save it, and you've got your own animated clip like a behind-the-scenes moment brought to life. One of the first things I tried was changing outfits. I uploaded an image of a girl wearing a simple white dress, and I asked, change her clothes into a navy blue suit. Instantly, it transformed the dress into a sharp, professional suit without changing her face, her hair, or any of her other features. It was like a digital wardrobe swap in seconds. Then I tested something more fun. I uploaded a child's drawing of a house and gave it the prompt, make this child's drawing look like a realistic house photo. What came back was mind-blowing. A fully realistic house that still carried the same quirky shapes and features from the child's sketch. It was like the drawing came to life, right out of a kid's imagination. I kept experimenting with creative twists. I took a photo of a lion and asked, convert this photo into a black and white coloring page outline. Just like that, I had a clean coloring page, perfect for printing and filling in. And Nano Banana is amazing at restoring or modernizing old photos too. For example, I uploaded a black and white photo of Albert Einstein and asked it to colorize this black and white photo. The results gave him natural skin tones, a colored outfit, and even realistic shading on the background. I also tested it with objects, like asking it to change the red car into a matte black car. Within seconds, the car looked brand new, sleek, and stylish. You can even replace objects in ways that are hilarious. I uploaded a picture of a girl holding a phone, and I told Nano Banana, replace the phone in this person's hand with a banana. The output, the exact same person, same hand position, but now holding a perfectly rendered banana. I also explored landmark photos. I uploaded an image of the Colosseum and asked Nano Banana Banana to annotate this landmark photo with its name and history. It labeled the Colosseum and even added historical text on top, almost like a guided tour snapshot. And for movie fans, this one's crazy. You know the final emotional scene of the Titanic movie? I uploaded that underwater shot and prompted Nano Banana. Show the behind-the-scenes green screen version of this movie shot. The Nano Banana gave me a completely different perspective. Same scene, but now with lighting rigs, green screens, and the setup visible. It was like getting access to secret production footage. Nano Banana is also a game changer for content creators. I uploaded photo and typed, "Make a clickbait YouTube thumbnail with this person looking shocked." In just seconds, it produced a thumbnail with bold colors, exaggerated expressions, and perfect clickbait energy. And finally, I tested it with interior design. I had a picture of an empty living room, totally bare. My prompt was, "Please turn this into a renovated, fully furnished living room." Nano Banana filled the space with modern furniture, lighting, and decorations, transforming it into something straight out of an interior design magazine. Also can take a regular photo of a person and transform them into a Pixar-style character. Just upload the image, type "transform this person into a Pixar-style character," and Nano Banana instantly reimagines them with that iconic animated look. Big expressive eyes, smooth textures, and that warm, cinematic vibe. It's like stepping straight into a Pixar movie. Now let's move outdoors. If you've got a plain backyard photo, upload it and say, "Redesign this backyard with lush landscaping." Within seconds, Nano Banana fills it with greenery, flowers, stone walkways, even lighting designs. Honestly, it feels like having a professional landscape architect on call without spending a dime. Another amazing trick is digital outfit swaps. Upload a photo of a person, then upload another photo of an outfit. Type, "Put the person from image 1 in the outfit from image 2. Nano Banana keeps the person's face, their pose, their background, but seamlessly dresses them in the new clothes. It's perfect for testing fashion, visualizing uniforms, or just having fun with creative looks. You can even turn yourself into a Marvel-style superhero. I uploaded a regular photo and gave the prompt, "Make a Marvel-style movie poster with this person as the hero." The result looked insanely real, like something you'd see hanging in a theater. I was honestly amazed. But it doesn't stop there. I also tried converting a photo into a 3D cartoon image. I typed, "Convert this image into a 3D cartoon animation style." And the result? Shocking. It came back looking like a full-blown animated character. Clean, colorful, and so realistic you'd think it was pulled straight out of a Pixar or DreamWorks movie. And the best part? You can do this with your own photo in seconds. And finally, for anyone into design or architecture, this is next level. Upload a building photo and ask, "Convert this building into an isometric architectural view." Nano Banana redraws it into a clean, professional geometric style, the kind of perspective architects use in concept art and design proposals. It looks polished, futuristic, and incredibly useful for presentations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos.